go. Good job. Good job. It's cold water. You say hey to the vlog?
Yeah.
You say good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. You gonna brush the right way or you need me to do it?
I can't do it.
Okay, Carl, do it. You're not brushing, you're just eating the toothpaste. You gotta brush your teeth, the cheese, and then brush. Yeah, there you go. Mm-hmm. Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
Go water.
Hmm?
Go water.
It's officially the 3rd day of spring break, and let's just say it's been rough, right, Kai?
Huh?
It's been rough, huh? What? Stop playing. It's, and I ain't gonna lie, it's been rough, but it's not been rough.
Good morning, Mama.
Good morning, Carol.
I am taking up.
I need to take a nap. I had a good nap. Stop doing that. Okay. But yeah, it's the 3rd day of spring break. He go back to daycare on Monday. And I'm not sure what we're gonna do today, but I need to get some work done. And I might take him to the PARK. I'm not gonna say it, because if I change my mind, I don't want him hassling me about it. So, that's undecided, but we just washing our face and brushing our teeth. Stop slumping, child. Put your stool back.
Huh?
Go put your stool back.
Huh? Okay.
Yeah, stool. Yeah, go ahead, put it back. Watch your step. But yeah, I can't bend down and let my knees bend. I like to fix him some breakfast. And he want waffles this morning, so we gonna do waffles. I have this pimple and it hurts. Okay, we wash our face, brush your teeth. Let's go in the kitchen and fix breakfast. So we're gonna do these waffles. You asked the same thing a million times. You need to go to the potty. Am I supposed to put your chair? Cairo is in his 3rd person phase. Everything is Cairo this, Cairo that. Yeah, get your chair. One should be enough, right? We gonna see. said it already, but I done sat down. I didn't fix me any breakfast, but today is going to be a work day and mommy day, a mommy and Sunday, because Cairo is on spring break and I have stuff I need to do, like I said, but I need to find a way to keep him entertained as well. So I need to get my work done first. That way we can play later if I decide to take him to the park. So I did make up my bed. But now I have a wig that needs to be shipped out. So I purchased a wig last night and I need to wash and ship that out today if I can. If not, I'll get it shipped out tomorrow. I try to at least get it shipped out within a day or two. Cause who don't like fast shipping? So I need to print this label out. And what's crazy is I was gonna wash all my wigs today. That way when people order them, I can just go ahead and package them up, because I have a bad habit of just taking them off and then hanging them up instead of just washing them after taking them off. But you know, it's all good. So she got the deep wave wig, the one that I did a bleach path on, so I'm gonna create a label for that. I'm gonna probably just ship it out tomorrow because I want to make sure it's dry before I do that. So I'm just ship it out. I'm doing my iPad. I'm just ship it out tomorrow. But then I'll show y'all how I package like my refurbished wigs and everything, because I actually end up organizing my supplies and stuff, like the lashes and all that stuff. So we good now. I cleaned up Monday, organized my closet Monday. I got a lot of cleaning done Monday. That's why I was exhausted. So tomorrow I'm gonna have that for tomorrow. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and print this out. Okay, I'm back. I had to get him situated. Cairo is semi-potty trained. I'm gonna say semi because he hasn't gotten to the point where he's wearing his underwear like out in public or doing his nap at bedtime. That's what I'm trying to figure out, because he can go all day with his underwear on as long as we're in the house. But I need to figure out how to transition over to him when we go out and during nap time. I don't know. I just feel like he just really got comfortable with going all day and actually like pooping on the potty now too. But before he was withholding, like he wouldn't poop for like a day or two just so he wouldn't poop on the potty. So we're making progress. I actually got a better looking potty from off Amazon. I'm gonna show y'all. Yes, it's in my room right now because it's easy access for him. So yeah, this is what the potty look like. It is like a little miniature toilet. When you flush it, it make like a flush sound. It doesn't really flush, but you get the point. And then you can store some wipes in there. And yeah, he been using it ever since I bought this one. He don't even look at the one that I had before, which was the car one that he had. But I was like, you know what? He don't want to use this, so it just made, ever since I bought that one, it just made it a little bit better. But right now, I'm just trying to figure out what I need to do first. What would be more logic to do first? Wash the wig first, because that needs to go ahead and start drying. So yeah, we about to go and wash this wig. This is the one the girl actually ended up ordering. So I need to go ahead and get this washed. Yeah, because you see it got all the like glue on it or whatever. I don't know if y'all can see that. But it's just like the residue. So I'm about to wash this wig. Also, y'all see this little thing right here? I'm turning my light on. These little thing right here, if you're washing your hair like in the sink or whatever, get one of these. I got these at TJ Maxx. If I can find, because it was a bunch of them. And it catches the hair so it won't get in the drain or whatever. I'm gonna have to see if I can find the box, because I don't know what I did with it, but I know it was more than just that too, because right now I'm using two because I have 2 sinks in my bathroom. But if I can find it, I'm gonna have to show y'all later. But yeah, we better get this wig washed.
Just like the girl I'm everywhere. I just stay so poppin' shit. You would think I went to school for chiropractic. Looking good as hell today. Just sent my nigga 5 texts. Why'd you come from me about a nigga, man? You bitches back. They come at me about niggas who I don't even find attractive. I don't know that nigga. I just seen them on the town before. I can't be up in her face. I took her nigga down before. When I lose a nigga, I just pop out and go find some more. Soon as I feel like my time get wasted, then it's time to go. They say they don't fuck with me, but I say they can't fuck with me. Just like the girl I'm everywhere. How you say it so me? Them bitches should've stayed down. They could've been up with me, but all they doing is talking down. Cause they can't get up with me. My ex fucking on my old friend. Both they ass some fucking clowns. Thinking that she got one up on me, she got my hand me down. He thought he wasn't gonna have to stand on shit like he was handicapped. Made that nigga stand on it. Now his ass can't stand me now. High as fuck, I'm lit, yup. I don't smoke no sweet shots. Slime with my gang and them. Looking them like sisters. These bitches be letting it go. I said about these niggas. I don't wanna hang with them. They don't have no business. They be going for anything, but I can't go for none of this. Why would I go chase you if I know you gon' come running back? Cut everybody off, they been feeling like a lumberjack. They really get me fucked up, and now I'm going for none of that. She the type the nigga make her mad, she going too some. Me, I'm kinda ratchet still, so I'm the type to beat some. I can't love you, baby, like your bitch, so don't leave her. He gon' choose her every time, cause it's cheaper to keep her. Can't say your name up in my songs.
Everything I need to package this order. I'm gonna need one of these. One of these, let me show you. Wait, it's not, this one here. So I'm gonna grab one of these to put the wig in. A wig cap and a hairnet. Make sure it's still working. Okay. Yeah. Some lashes. And inside here, I just got the those little tissue paper that be coming in there, and a tissue paper. So this pretty much helped me stay organized on what I keep everything intact on what I need. So that's everything. You do?
Huh?
What is it? Tell me yes. What color is that? Gray and yellow?
Huh?
What color is it?
Green.
Oh God, baby. Never mind. I'll cut it out. What color is this?
Huh?
What color is this?
Yellow.
Good job. Okay, you got confused. You don't know what I was talking about.
This is more.
That's gray. Say gray.
And
Gray.
a pink.
No. Gray.
Okay.
Gray. Good job. What color are your knees? White, because they ashy?
White.
Yeah, they're very ashy.
And
Okay.
this green.
Huh?
Huh?
Don't worry about my knees. We talking about you.
And
Brown.
about
You brown. You brown skin. Oh. Oh.
about
Yeah, brown. Mm-hmm.
and about
Mm-hmm.
the best.
Stop wearing me a pee-pee.
Huh?
You gotta pee pee.
You call somebody black, then you just look crazy.
No, that's why we gonna say brown.
Oh, okay.
That's a politically correct word to say.
Ew, 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 ew. Ew, ew.
God, I don't remember how to put this thing together. I should never took it apart. God doggy. You know how to ruin a good thing. Cause what's wrong with it? Let's go. Hey, stop pressing on it like that with no batteries on it. Turn it off if you about to be doggone putting it on the tow truck. There you go, put it on the tow truck.
Huh?
Put it on the truck. Alright. You better go fix it.
Huh?
You better go fix it.
Ew.
Okay, y'all, so yeah. I'm gonna bought his scallop wig, but no mind that. The wig is finished drying, so I'm about to go ahead and package it up and show y'all. So got everything right here. I'm just going to get the net. This net always gives me a hard time. Okay. Oh no, it's not the net. It's the tissue paper first. Tissue paper. And then the net. Like that. Sit down like that. And got the lashes. I mean the cap and the lashes.
Mama.
What? Oh. The bag I'm about to put it in.
Hey, Mama.
What? It. And then we just gonna flatten it and make sure all the air is out. So it just look like this. And then put that on top. And put it in this poly mailer. I think it's 10 by 13 or 13 by 10. I don't know. I can't remember. So put it in here. Make sure all the air is out. I ain't about to be adding no more pounds, but okay, so it's flat. And a sticker, and then just unfold it. And we're just gonna put her tracking information on there. I need to cut this off and then tape it, and then she'll be ready to go. Put him in your box. Yeah, I didn't even do what I was supposed to be doing today. Like, I just ended up sitting on the couch all day watching Siren. I don't know if y'all heard that show before, but it's like about mermaids. literally sat on the couch all day. So I'm just come back tomorrow. And be productive. It's really hard for me to be productive though with Kyron because he's just such a distraction. But I'm gonna have to figure out tomorrow because I need to get this content out. So I need to plug this wig tomorrow and be trying to install it tomorrow if I can. I do have a 2 unboxings I need to film, but I want to go ahead and get out the content I need to get out the way first and then film it. Okay, so I'm about to take this on. Keep it earrings. I'm gonna take this shipping label on there and then I'm gonna put it in the mailbox. So y'all, yeah, I'm gonna go do that and I'll be back once I'm finished. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. It's April 14th. I did nothing yesterday, laid around all day yesterday. But I just came back from the hair store and I just want to show y'all what I got. I spent too much money. So the first thing I got is this sponge because I want to start like sponging my hair up. Just embracing this shortcut life until it grows out to the length I want it to grow out of. I got some of this Evan lace tint spray. Yeah, I tried the red by Kiss, but I like the way it smells, but I just like this one better. And the light warm brown. I got some of this Evan spray, the red one. I never really tried the red one, I don't think. Only tried the black one and the gold one. So I got that one. I got some of this LA Pearl concealer in the color Fawn. Hopefully it's my right color. But I got it from a girl TikTok and she's almost like the same complexion as me. I got some nail glue and some nail glue remover when I do my nails. I got 2 more rat tail combs because my combs are just disappearing. I don't know where they went to. Some Ruby Kisses foundation. I got the color 10 and then the color 12 because I think 12 is what I got for when I melted and I was running low. So and I mainly use this one, so I'll be up on that. Got some little bamboo earrings, you know. What, huh? I got the white liner because I want to try to map out where I cut my ear ties at. I saw a TikTok on that, so I'm gonna try that. And then I did get some more studs because I need to get some more studs. And y'all won't guess how much money I spent in the hair store. And my niece got a few things, but ain't enough. I spent $66. All that stuff is $66. So yeah, but I use this stuff like every day, so it don't even matter. But right now I think I need to pluck that wig and I'm gonna do that. I guess I do that on camera and then yeah, so I'm gonna go do that. Okay y'all, so I'm back. My camera actually ended up dying. So this is how I end up plucking it off camera. I didn't pluck it too much and I ended up burning my dang lace. But that's okay because it's gonna be cut off anyway. And I attempted to do like the widow's peak. And I think I did it. Y'all, I don't think I'm gonna wanna sell this one. I never wanna sell my curly wigs. But that widow's peak is alright. And I'm thinking no baby hairs. I'm ready to install this. Like, real big. It's like really big. And I believe it's 26 inches. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. I decided to just show you guys the behind the scenes of how I film my TikToks for my wig and stuff. So I just changed I did add a little, because that situation is just horrible. This is what I use to put my phone on. I have this in front of me. Have it in front of me like this. And I just sit my phone on it. I really want to start using my back camera, but I don't know.
I just want a roughneck nigga on the tongue. Big bitches wanna send me automatic with a drum. Ask me if I'm finished now, I just begun. I ain't giving out no 90 to no nigga just for fun. Are you dumb? Other man, I don't know no other man. You f like 100 niggas just for 100 bands. What? I don't even got me 100 bands. I'm still gonna make me 100 M's with 100 plans. Give me peso, extendo. I carry just like a Prego. Hit around with nigga called Petro. Suck it, nigga, shoulda knew it from the get-go. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Come on, baby, don't play with it. Just lay it. Spin or play it. My hitters don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. They stay with it. I'm okay with it. When they come to me, they'll play with it.
See on me, yeah, that's something that I stay with. The brothers, they ain't really nothing to play with. Steady chatting when I ran down, she ain't say shit. My hitters gon' bang quick, fuck around and get dangerous. Step like bimbos, I'm a to my Timbo. Hoes, no, I ain't playing games, no Xbox, Nintendo. Real no force, I stand on it, that's 10 toe. Pulled up with the big body with the dog tints on the window. He says she's so sweet, they gon' wanna let her rap out. Let them taste the then I kick them out right after. Got these niggas vexed cause I curve them when I want. Get his wig pushed back if the nigga tried to fall.
Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Come on, baby, don't play with it. Just lay it. Spin or play it. My hitters don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. They stay with it. I'm okay with it. When they come to me, they don't play with it.
Seems like ever since the first day we met, there is no one else I think of more than you. Can't seem to forget, can't get you out my head. Guess the verdict's in, I'm crazy over you. How can one be down? Tell me where to start, 'cause every time you smile, I feel tremors in my heart. I have but one concern, I cannot get with you till my day comes. Here's what I'm gonna do.
Check it.
Yeah, something about you, thinking about you. I must confess, I'm a mess for you.
Okay, y'all, so this wraps up this vlog. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and share. Yeah, stay tuned for the next vlog.
I changed on you.